You'll recognise them when they come in. The two ladies that have come to basically all of your pop-ups, Sharon and Debs, they were like, oh, is his dad coming? I was like, I don't know. They were looking forward to it. The Borough Market model is very different.
Those would be the people that inevitably complain that, oh, why are you charging so much for Filipino food? I can cook it cheaper at home. This is pork belly for the humba.
I'm looking forward to this quite a lot.
Bay leaf that I used, then a bit of sugar as well.
Look at that colour.
Before vegan fish sauce.
Can I smell? I'm intrigued because obviously fish sauce is like my thing.
How are you doing? Alright, thanks. How are you? Not too bad. Oh, is there something you heard?
It stops at 7 o'clock.
Oh, okay, I will be gone.
No.
Got fire at the Dodo.
So we're heading there, doing the tours, we'll be kind of heading to the base and like, oh, you know what, it's tricky. I mean, like where my mum grew up, most of the time, but there's no one around there now, so
Tasting good? Are you happy to do the normal intro and then talk about each course every time? Number two?
thank you.
Quite a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
One more person.
Because it must be the meat.
This week, come back, have a holiday, and then get
Hello! Welcome to the Dodo Micropub. For everybody who doesn't know, because I know we're welcoming some new faces in tonight, especially for Mark's Food, which is always excellent. I'm Lucy and I own this pub, this establishment that you are in. Oh, thank you. Occasionally we bring in incredible people to come and cook for the Hanwell Massive and people beyond. Just a bit of housekeeping. I am filming tonight. I put everything on social media because it really helps people find my business. If you do not want to appear on camera in any way, shape or form, please raise your hand and I will edit you out. Excellent, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna hand over to the chef for this evening. This is our most requested guest food pop-up. When Mark comes, people love it and they're like, when are you getting Filipino food back in? So, without further ado, Mark.
Very lovely welcome from Lucy. It's always nice to be back here in Hanwell. One reason why I don't come back here that often is I live in southeast London. So it's a little bit of a trek. Me
too.
I'm Mark. I'm from the Adobros, a Filipino catering company originally started in 2013 with my brother when we were doing supper clubs in our flat in New Cross. And we were each other's Adobros. We cooked each other adobo, and yeah, hence the name. And it was a drunken night out, I think, on the train back when my brother was asking me, dude, like, I'm so hungry, you know, do we have any food at home? You cooked adobo the other night, didn't you? And I said, yeah, I think I've got some leftover adobo in the fridge. And he said, dude, you're my dobro. I love coming down here to Hanwell because everyone here is so welcoming. It's a nice neighbourhood. Lucy and Ali behind the bar are great. They give me lots of free beer as well, so that. And it's an opportunity to bring, I guess, different sort of variations of Filipino food or different versions of it each time I come out here. Tonight's menu is inspired by the food that I had in Cebu. My wife is from Cebu. My mum and her family are from Manila, from Luzon, and so I guess what I ate growing up was very much what we might consider the mainstream of Filipino food. But when you think about what the Philippines are, it's an archipelago of 7,000 plus islands, many different sort of various kingdoms and everything, forcibly united by the Spanish. So when we talk about Filipino food, we should be more specifically talking about Filipino foods. Very much in that, you know, everyone's starting to get into regional Italian, regional Chinese. There are lots of different regions in the Philippines. Whilst we do have our sort of commonalities, our love of sourness, our love of freshness and fresh seafood and pork, except in the Muslim South. But there are lots of different regions with their own sort of takes on different things. And ever since meeting my wife and going out to see her family and bringing our daughter out to meet her relatives out there, come to have a much greater appreciation of Filipino food outside of the Manila bubble that I grew up eating from what my mum would cook.
Thank you so much.
Two of your mains. So, 2 meat mains here. Thank you. There you go, enjoy. There we go. And another meat here, right? Thank you. There you go. Shall I take that away so you can get Hello, coming through. Oh wow. Thanks. One there. One there. Ooh, what's going on here?
When I designed the menu, I failed to remember that you guys don't have an oven. So try and think of which way to warm things up without having it.
Is it going to work?
They're not cold.
Two vegan desserts.
Oh, no calories, sexless. Yeah, nice.
Do you like another beer as well?
Yeah, can I have the Polly's, please?
So of course they claim, we need to be paid for the research.
Because there's a space for it, or for some water as well.
Vegan on 3. 2 vegans at the back. These 2 have got. Oh yeah. Yes. I was like, wait, hold on a minute. So you wanted 1 vegan?
Yes.
Yes, that is the vegan one for you. And then I need to remember who the other vegan was.
What would you like? We have 2 halves of Polly's and a bit more talent.
Hello. Would you like another?
And about 2 again, please.
2 again.
There might be. For sure.
Okay, one half of Polly for you all.
Very much. Okay.
That is for you.
Thank you.
And I'll give this one to Sharon. Oh, don't lose your dessert. Don't do that. Shall I bin that? Yeah. And then let me before I
We went to the best pizza place in Margate.
Is that the barista I served them?
Oh no, I served the barista.
Oh, did you? Then I need to add mine.
I don't know if I gave them too many. I feel like I've put too many loose bits on. I did. She did a Lucas start, and the other one had a loose bit.
Oh, that's the ladies.
Yeah.
So
And then I
this-
served the barista, and you served the barista.
I served the barista to the guy, Dave. So he's on that one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nowhere else. So yeah, so that do it, right? So we should do that.